Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews and recommendations for your household needs. Today, we're diving into a product that's a game changer for anyone tired of battling stubborn oven grease and grime. Introducing the Easy Off Pro Fume-Free Oven Cleaner. This isn't just any oven cleaner, it's the best kitchen degreaser you can get your hands on. With its powerful formula and innovative design, it's a must-have for every home chef. Let's break down what makes this product stand out. First off, it's fume-free, so you can tackle tough oven messes without the harsh chemical smell. That means no more choking fumes or need for protective gloves. It's safe for everyday use. But don't let its gentle formula fool you. This cleaner means business. Just spray it on the stain, wait 30 seconds, and wipe away the grime. It's that easy. Whether it's your oven, oven doors, broilers, or stainless steel surfaces, this cleaner gets the job done in no time. And don't just take our word for it, customers rave about its performance. From effortlessly removing baked-on grease to leaving ovens looking brand new, this cleaner delivers on its promises. But wait, there's more. This cleaner isn't just for ovens. It's versatile enough to tackle all your kitchen cleaning needs. Plus, it's NSF and kosher certified, so you can trust it to get the job done right. In summary, the Easy Off Pro Fume-Free Oven Cleaner is a game changer for anyone looking to keep their kitchen sparkling clean. With its powerful formula, fume-free design, and versatile application, it's the best kitchen degreaser on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy cleaning!